What's up guys, TechNews here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Homebrew on your Nintendo 3DS. Now this should work with any model, even 2DS. You also need an SD card with at least around 4 gigabytes of free space. And try to avoid class 4 cards since they have very slow write speeds. I'm just using a 32 gigabyte SD card. But also try to avoid SDXC cards since Nintendo doesn't support those with the 3DS. You also need a Nintendo Network ID since we're going to be downloading a free game from the eShop that allows us to do this exploit. And pretty much an internet connection. So, I'll just insert the Z for her in my 3DS. I'll just look for it real quick. Okay, so ignore all this other stuff on my SD card. What now? Let's do these things. I may only cut this out. Now you're going to go to the brute force movable site. Click continue. There's a reason why it says this because I've done this before. Again. And your friend code and your ID 0. So you get that. So basically what we're going to do is normally, here's the ID 0, but if there's more than one folder, then I'll show you which one matches your 3DS. So what I'm going to do is go to root your SD card, right click on the folder, rename it, I'm going to do 2, insert the SD card to 3DS, and I'll see you right there. Just wait for my 3DS to boot up. And you see this, and we're also going to take a note of a couple other things. What we're going to do is go to System Settings. What you're also going to have to do is you want to go to on the top screen. It should say your version, your system menu version. If it says 11.7 to 11.9, then it should be okay. So it's recommended that you take a photo of it or write it down on a piece of paper, or you can remember if you have a good memory. And your friend code, which is very easy to get. You should know how to do this by now. So here's your friend code right here. I also may want to take a photo of that. I have to close. SD. Turn off the system. Okay, so now I'm back. You should see your new Nintendo 3DS folder. The title of this folder, that it's actually your ID0 name. Just don't worry about the date. It's just how the 3DS is. And today's actually the 25th instead of the 18th. So you want to click rename. You want to copy it. Oops. Paste in the ID0 section. Actually, no, wait. Then you can delete the Nintendo 3DS folder. Go to Nintendo 3DS. Rename it. Make it just Nintendo 3DS. All you have to do is enter your friend code. Another robot thing. And it says this before because, like I said, I've already done this before. Okay, so since I've already done it, yeah, at least I have another plan. Actually, wait, forget about it. What you do is, based on me borrowing some footage from Jack's Rose video, so huge shout out to him. Otherwise, this video wouldn't have been possible. Let me just skip the video. So here in this footage, it wants you to register the friend code that's on screen. It's going to be different every time you do it. So all you have to do is register the friend code in 3DS, wait, and then you can download the movable.scd file. Although it says there's a 1 right there because, like I said, like 2, 3 or 5 times, but I've done this before. Go to the Steel Miner page. And what you have to do is browse to the area where you found your movable.scd is. Select your region, click start. Click. I'll do save as. Go to documents, save that. Click on boot file. Click on boot.3dsx. Click the save button. And then after you download it to the with the SD card, you want to go to SteelX folder. link. Click on View Raw, save, click Open on the mix. All I have to do is copy everything in the folder and put it on your SD card. All I have to do is I want to download the FTPD app. Click on, oops. Where is it? What we want to do is right click on 3dsX, save target as, go to the 3ds folder, click save, you're going to go back to Jack's site and you want to go to other app, what you want to do is, so basically just going to be different for everyone. So I have a new 3ds XL, you have to select new, as I told you, new 3ds or new 2ds XL. Like new, if you have a regular 3ds, 3ds XL, and 2ds, you just go to select old. Oops, sorry. If there's any sound right there. Do is like your firmware version. Mine is 11.9.0. Dash 42. Even though I probably meant to select Europe, US, the U, even though I live in the US, it still will work. What I have to do is I want to put it in the steelhex folder, and it says put payload.bin in that folder. And what you're going to do is rename it to just payload.bin. So you want to click what? And after that, for that save file right there, you're going to go on the eShop on your 3DS to download the free game to do the exploit. So I'll see you on the 3DS. And you're going to, of course, for this you will need a Nintendo Network ID. Of course, if you usually want to make a Nintendo Network ID, then just go System Settings, go to Nintendo Network ID settings, and the rest should be self-explanatory. Open up the eShop. Now we'll be signing in. Just wait. And now in the search tab, you want to search for Steel Wars. Oops. Now, if you see this, it says Subwars update. You do not want to install that, because if you were to install the update and have to get with it, then it's not going to work. Saying it's probably Nintendo patched it. I have to fix my dates. I'll fix it in a bit. Even though it says the 18th, the day is actually the 25th. So I got changed. That's okay. Anyway, Sealed Library Subwars. You want to click that. I'll turn. And there's like 2 download screen. So yeah, only about 1,573 blocks. Hit the download button. You want to hit download now. And it can take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so I'll be back once it's finished. Okay, so now I'm back from the console. Open up the Nintendo 3DS folder. Open up the 2 folders. Go to title. Go to 004000. Go to 00D7D00. You want to go to the data folder. Once you copy it, so yeah, basically we're pretty much done on the computer. So I'll see you on the 3DS for open up the exploit. On the SD card, probably during it should load. Click launch. If the bottom screen starts to turn colors, then that's a sign knowing it's working. You see, we have Homebrew installed. Yay! So how this works is, so basically you would open up. It would show you your 3DS's IP address, and you would have to use a file client like FileZilla or OneSCP. FileZilla I recommend, and then you would type in your IP address. I did before the colon, and then what you do is type in this, and then it should find it. There is no password set up for it, so yeah. If you want to exit, all you gotta do is press the B button twice. If you want to exit completely, you notice that the home button doesn't work. You see like a freezer for a sec, but it just continues. What you have to do is you have to press the start button and then press the A button. If you see like the arrows are cut, then that's okay. Well, that's how we're gonna wrap it for this video. So next time, I'm going to show you how to install custom firmware on your 3DS. See you then.